What this does is it takes two key areas into consideration.
One is a biological predisposition, and there's also environmental factors that are conducive to what induces bipolar. Biological predisposition meaning treat the semantics of words with any sort of impartial settings. No, we have a big elephant in the room.
So these are some of the philosophical
Ideas of reality.
whether or not, whether or they are capable or incapable. Oh, is that the one? It's the mysterious one. This is the enigma.
That has no intrinsic meaning. Statement with this polarity. We call it alchemy, transmutate, convert. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. We can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.